go in there, guys, this is just our 10-meter Jill 4-pin aviation cable. So if you did need to go a bit longer, you could use like 2 of these and just obviously join them. So your camera end are going to be like this end here. 2 like 4 pins are there for like both your cameras coming back. We also have built into this a reverse trigger wire. So if you need to get a reverse trigger from the like rear of the truck or the bus or vehicle or a piece of equipment, you can like tap this into your reverse lights, and then at the other end you are going to have a 12-volt reverse trigger to signal your screen when you like need to. So that is an option there, and we'll show you how you do that. Yeah, that is basically it. Pretty straightforward, high quality, like heavy duty cable, and you can see it there. Proper like split points for the dual plugs. Great little thing.